was not good.
Fix that later. Okay, so here we are. We're zoomed in on one of the villi, and now we could start seeing the different cell layers in here. So you'll see that, again, the outer cell layer is your epithelial level, or epithelial cells. So this would be, again, simple columnar, right, epithelium. And you'll see within the simple columnar epithelium, you'll see these oval-looking shapes. There's one here, there's one down here, there's one down here, and another one over here. Those are goblet cells. Okay?
Can you point them on here?
Yep, absolutely. So the goblet cells, you'll see there's an oval right there.
Mm-hmm.
There's one down here. There's one over here. And there's another one over here.
Thank you.
And there's actually one tucked in right over there. Those are goblet cells. Okay? So then we're looking back, so we know this is the simple columnar epithelium. And then simple columnar epithelium sits on top of lamina propria. So that's all lamina propria right in there. Any questions about small intestine or about the duodenum?
Duodenum.
Duodenum, sorry. That's fine. So let's move on from there. Okay, anybody know what this slide is? This is the parotid gland. Okay? Parotid gland. And there are two things that you need to know about this slide. The first thing is that you have these nice openings over here. There's one here and one there. Those are just simply called ducts. That's all you have to know them as, or ducts. And then surrounding the ducts, all of the pink background with the nice purple granules inside, those are all called mucus cells. Okay, so the only thing you need to know on this slide is that it is a parotid gland. You need to know that there are ducts, and that everything surrounding the ducts, those are all mucus cells. Yep, this is the highest magnification that you'll see it, and I'll just bring it out. I don't think you're going to see it on this magnification, but if you do, that's what it looks like. Okay, and then this is again just higher magnification. And there are the ducts again. Any questions? Okay, so this is a slide of the liver, exactly. There are, again, I think there are three things that you need to know on this slide. You need to know, first of all, that it's the liver. The second thing you need to know is that each of these structures, see how there's a nice white outline going around here? Okay, so each of these individual structures, there's one here, and I'll just move around so you can see another one. There's another one right here. Here's another one. Okay. Each of those individual structures are called lobules, exactly. In the middle or the central part of each of the lobules, right here, this is the central vein. And then you'll see when three lobules meet here, they form this nice junction. and that is called a portal triad. Okay, so that would be right here is the portal triad. Okay, so again, you have the lobule, which is the entire structure. The central vein is right in the middle of the lobule, and the portal triad is where the triads come to meet each other. Okay. Everybody good? That's a pretty easy one. Everybody should be familiar with this slide. This is the pancreas. So you need to know that this structure, this little lighter stained structure here, is called a islet of Langerhans. And then all the other cells surrounding the islet of Langerhans are called, you can either call them acinar cells or acinar, however you want to pronounce them. Spelled A-C-I-N-A-R. Okay. So pancreas, islet of Langerhans, and acinar or acinar cells surrounding that. Everybody good? Have you started studying the kidney yet in class?
Go ahead, do it.
Yeah, it's not
Do it.
right around the corner, I'm sure.
I'm going to wait. Just because once you study everything,